Moira Britta. I love my present. Cupcakes are inside them. Cupcakes are my favorite thing. This basket comes in pink too.
What does it say on the inside?
With a heart.
Who wrote the heart?
Moira Britta. And that says, and I love you. With a heart. Ma. Thank you, Moira Britta. This present is very special to me. I love you, Moira Britta. Cupcake. 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 Cupcake.
What are you making?
Cupcake.
For who?
I started from cupcake. It's a cupcake card.
For who?
Moira Britta. She can take it to her school on Monday, there's Friday, there's Saturday. I'll make Moira Britta on it.
You'll draw a picture of Moira Britta? Let's see.
I draw curly hair because I know Moira Britta has curly hair. Ear, ear, leg, cupcake, cupcake, cupcake.
Do the cupcakes have frosting on them?
Oh, just pretending they have frosting, but they don't really. But these come in circle or smushy cupcakes.
Which one does Moira Britta like best?
She likes all the cupcakes.